All right, here we are, another interview. Beautiful Saturday here in Nacogdoches, Texas, Old Town Rig Down. We've got our man Jeff here. He is parked on the corner right here, taking up a beautiful piece of land here in the downtown area. And we had to talk about this, Pete, that they just got finished building not too long ago. Jeff, why don't you give us the rundown of what we're looking at here?
Yes, sir. We got 11 months in this thing. We started from scratch. It's a 379 Pete, 07 model, completely restored. Got about 200,000 in it. Motor's all new. Everything on the truck is new. It's a very good looking truck. We done the paint job on it. We stretched it. We done a lot of stuff to this truck.
Lovely. We're going to go ahead and take a walk around here, and love this paint theme that y'all got going on here, Jeff.
It is cream white and purple, a deep violet purple.
Beautiful. And who'd y'all get y'all's chrome work done by?
We buy our chrome and have it shipped in, and we install all of it.
Yeah.
We just buy it already put together, you know, and we got a 359 dash in it from the 80s, and we redone the whole dash in it, the floor, everything has been touched, wires, everything new. Airlines, everything new, stretched it.
And where's y'all shop at, Jeff? Where'd y'all do all this at?
We're in Canton, Texas, at the 523 exit.
Oh.
South Brothers Custom Trucks and Accessories.
Lovely. Oh, so y'all pretty local then here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's absolutely amazing. And is this a working truck? Y'all doing anything with this or just show?
Well, we just got done with it Thursday before we came down here. Didn't even have time to test drive it. We jumped in it and hoped for the best and came on down.
Yeah. So are y'all going to put it to work, or y'all going to sell it, or what you going to do with it?
We're going to put it up for sale. That's what we do. We build them and sell them, and you know, go from there.
Do y'all specialize in Peterbilts, or do y'all take care of
we do
trucks?
Kenworths and Peterbilts. We've done a few flat Freightliners.
Yeah.
We'll do any truck you got, as long as you got the money to do it.
That's it. He said, just bring us the truck in the checkbook. We're going to take care of business on there. I love it, Jeff. Before I move to the back, I love these stacks, man. How big are these stacks here, Jeff?
Them are 8-inch, and they come from American Eagle.
Oh, okay.
Stephenville.
All right.
I buy all my stacks from them over there, and they do us a good job on getting them to us, and we get them on these trucks and get them out the door.
Lovely, lovely, man. Y'all try to source a lot of your stuff here from Texas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
so we do.
That's how we do it in Texas, isn't it, brother? We try to stay true to it. That's exactly what it is. That's right. Cameraman, come back here. Let's take a look at these lights and this beautiful catwalk we got here. So, hey, you said you stretched it, Jeff. How far did y'all stretch it?
It was 265. I've owned this truck for about 5 years. It was in my fleet of trucks. I own a trucking company too. And we haul stage and lighting equipment for concerts.
Nice.
Been doing that about 28, 30 years.
Oh, cool.
But my son-in-law, he's been into framework for 7, 8 years. He came to work for me, and we started stretching trucks, man. I mean, this was 265, and it's 290 now.
Oh, man. There's nothing like a good stretch frame, man.
Right,
it does something to a truck, doesn't it, man?
Make it ride a lot better.
It does, it does. Hey, so I want to ask you about these. Are we looking at Lifetime lug nut covers here, or who these come from?
I don't know about Lifetime.
No.
They are plastic, but they are good.
Yeah.
They serve their purpose and make the truck look better.
They do. So. They make them look very good. I love how you got these watermelon lights underneath that frame, man.
My son, he just had to have it right there. He's told me it would break up the long stretch right there, and it does.
It looks good. I got good photos of it last night when y'all had it lit up, and it does. It makes it look absolutely beautiful.
Yes.
And we're going to come back here around here to this bumper here. Why don't you tell us about the rear end? Where'd y'all get this from here? Just source it locally from Texas as well, or what?
Come from Chrome Shop Mafia.
Oh, nice.
We buy a lot of our stuff from them. I mean, they help us out when we need stuff, but we painted the inside of it because that's paintable. And we put all the lights in it ourselves, and we've pretty much done everything.
This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Well, Jeff, hey, we appreciate you telling us about this lovely truck. And if folks wanted to purchase this truck from you, because you said it's for sale, where could they go to do that at?
Well, Canton, Texas, at South Brothers Custom Trucks and Accessories. Just get a hold of me there, and we can talk business.